Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex home appliances into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling the Girard tankless water heater and its pesky error code E3, especially for the 2025 models. If you've ever seen that dreaded E3 code flashing on your unit, don't panic. We're here to help you understand and fix it quickly. First off, let's get straight to the point. Error code E3 on a Girard tankless water heater usually signals an issue with the ignition system or flame detection. This could mean your heater isn't lighting up properly, often due to problems like a blocked exhaust vent, insufficient gas supply, or a faulty sensor. It's a common error, but ignoring it could lead to bigger issues, so let's dive into troubleshooting. Step 1. Safety first. Always turn off the power and gas supply before you start. Check for any obvious blockages in the exhaust vent. Things like leaves, nests, or debris can cause this error. Make sure the vent is clear and properly installed. Next, verify your gas supply. Is the gas valve fully open? Is there enough pressure? If everything looks good there, try resetting the unit by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. If the error persists, it might be time to inspect the flame sensor or igniter. These components can get dirty or worn out over time, so gently clean them with a soft brush if you're comfortable. Remember, if you're not experienced with electrical work, call in a professional to avoid any risks. In summary, error code E3 is often a quick fix with some basic checks, but it could indicate a deeper problem. Always prioritize your safety and the manufacturer's guidelines. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.